This is a 2022 BMW K1600B Grand America. This is a hot rod BMW sport touring bike. The difference between the Grand American and the K1600B is that the B does not have a tour pack and the Grand American does. Comes in really handy for those long hauls, those long trips. Be able to store all your gear. Gives your passenger a good backrest to lean on. The color of this 22 Grand American is Manhattan Matte Metallic. It is a metallic matte paint job by BMW. Limited edition. Looks absolutely fantastic. What a great idea, making a matte metallic. Now this bike is in like new condition. It is a one-owner bike. It has 699 original miles on the odometer. It has had the break-in service completed at 600 miles, and the factory warranty is in effect. Now this Grand American has the 6-cylinder 1600cc engine, pumping out about 163 horsepower, about 124 foot-pounds of torque, mated to a 6-speed transmission. So this bike will get you down the road in a hurry. Being the Grand American, has a lot of options on it. It has the new digital screen, big 7-gallon tank, so you have a lot of range, aircraft style gas lid. Of course it has cruise control, ABS brakes, security system, heated grips, heated seat front and rear, with separate controls for the rear seat. Now the Grand American has several ride modes. You have a rain mode, a cruise mode, a sport mode. It also has electronic suspension to where you can put it in road or cruise, cruise being the softer setting. And then with the inside of each one of those electronic suspension settings, it has a 1-up setting, a 1-up with luggage, and then a 2-up setting. So you can find just exactly the sweet spot for the suspension. You can also find the sweet spot for the performance. It has central locking for the saddlebags and the tour pack. One great feature is the quick shift assist. Now what that does is you can hold the throttle in whatever position you want on this bike, be it just off an idle to full throttle, and shift up through the gears without the clutch. So you can be up to speed very, very quickly. It has the hill start assist. So if you're stopped on a hill, you can actually set the front brake so that you can have your feet down on the ground, and all you have to do is work the throttle and the clutch, and it takes out that possibility of stalling the bike. It can come in handy if you have a full load passenger on a steep hill. LED dynamic headlights, which help you go around the corner. It has LED driving lights. The windshield is electronically adjustable, and when you do find just the right spot for the setting on the windshield, when you turn the bike off, it will automatically retract, But when you start the bike, it will go back to your last position. Adjustable levers. Now through the BMW app, you can Bluetooth into the system and the digital screen to put your GPS on it, so you don't have to have a separate GPS unit. Very, very handy. Nice big speakers, front and rear, so you get great sound out of the stereo system. This bike is in stock configuration, and like I said, super low miles, 699. The 600-mile break-in service has been completed, and the factory warranty is in effect. So this bike is ready to go for another 5,400 miles before it needs its next service at 6,000. If you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 22 K1600B Grand American. This is one incredible machine. An excellent sport touring bike. Super low miles, factory warranty, the service has been done on it. It's completely stock and there's not a mark on this bike. It is in excellent condition. One owner bike. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Now this bike is priced out the door. There are no dealer fees or mystery fees. Just a good honest price on an incredible sport touring BMW. Give us a call. Thank you for watching our video.